Hello, everyone. I hope that everyone's feeling super grateful today for the opportunity to be able to come and once again learn some more value from a video presented by me and Chapo. Right, so I'm just going to jump into it. Here, I'm just going to do a little trade recap on the Australian dollar to the US dollar, which simply means that if you were buying, for those of you that don't know, it's Forex, it's currencies, as you can see. And that just means it's how many dollars you'd get for one Australian dollar. So currently, right now, for one Australian dollar, oh, that was on the back testing thing actually, but it's not far off. So for one Australian dollar, you'd get 71 US dollars. No, sorry, 71 cents. My bad. Right, so anyway, we can clearly see that was bearish on the higher time frame. We're making low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we're looking to create a lower high. We are now in premium, which means that you only really want to be selling when you're in premium, and that's 50% above the leg. So above this is premium. So it's if you got to a sell position, it'd be good because it's high, it's at value. And same for buying, you only want to be buying at discount. But yeah, maybe that's a video for another day. Anyway, I'm just going to jump into trade breakdown. So pretty much we're making a retracement up to go ahead and meet a point of interest where we can perhaps make a lower high and then take out this low. Okay, so on the 15 minute, we're bullish here on the 15 minute. Get low, high, low. Let me just play this a bit. We break structure here. This wasn't the piece of price action that I want to show though. I think it was here. Yeah, okay. So, what's going on with my Wi-Fi? Let me just bring it back. Okay, cool. So we can just see that we're very bullish here. So we only really want to be buying at higher lows to then go and target this bit to make the higher high. Okay, so if I zoom in now, we can clearly see, well, not very clearly, but if I extend it, we can see that we broke this. So I can look for a zone of interest, and I've selected this area right here. And then when I'm in this area, I'm going to go down to the 1 minute and I'm going to wait for the 1 minute to align with the 15 minute. So the 15 minutes doing this, right? And then I want the 1 minute when it's coming down. Hang on. So the 1 minute when it's coming down, it's going to be bearish, right? Because the 1 minute has to go bearish to get to this zone down here to make the higher low. It's going to be messy, but you get the idea. And then I'll need to see the 1 minute shift and break and then align with the 15 minute. So the 15 minute is bullish and now the 1 minute has turned bullish from bearish. We've had a trend shift and then we can go and look to get in at the higher low, right? Targeting this area. So that's what we're going to look for. Okay, drop down to the 1 minute and I'll just play price now, see what goes on. Jesus Christ, my Wi-Fi is terrible. Proper jumpy that. Slow it down a bit. Right, so people are probably looking at this and thinking, like, it's just moving up, like, they probably want to buy. But it's just doing this before our zone just to induce people so people actually start buying. And then they will get taken out and then we'll see what happens in the zone. Speed up a bit more. Okay, people are probably looking at this, or yeah, nice clear trend line. Okay, they get taken out. And now we've tapped into our zone. So what do we want to see in the zone? Well, we want to see the lower high of the 1 minute broken. So we want to see this area broken. And then when we do, we can actually look for our entry point and then set our exit point. So that's a 1 minute change of character. Okay, cool. So we got the change character very quick, showing us that the banks and the people with the big money that actually run this market have got involved, right? I've already got a mod out. So located this zone now. Just gonna put an entry on there and cover the low. Yeah, that's covered the low. And then simply targeting the 15-minute week high, and I'll draw it out in a minute so you can understand the order flow. Any questions, just let me know. Right, so that's 7% there, and that probably won't take that long. It won't take more than a day. So 7% in a day, just to put it into perspective, if you was on an FTMO account, which is pretty much like where you can get funded, and you've got a 100,000 account, which you can buy for about 300 quid or something, and you keep the profits off of that, 7% of that is 7 grand. Just to put it into perspective, yeah, you keep 90% or 80%, so I don't know, about like 5 grand or whatever. Bro, 5 grand in a day is crazy money. It's just about taking the right trades at the right time. Like, if there's not a good setup, don't take the trade. But let's just look at the order flow right now. So we zoom out, and this would be our 15-minute now, as you can see, marked by these purple markers. So we're making low, high. We break this structure here, higher low, to then create a higher high. So what are we looking for now? A higher low to then create a higher high. It's as simple as that. So our target, a hard take profit is here. I won't take partials. I just go break of structure. I just go break even. So it's a risk-free trade. If I see what I need to see. Okay, yeah, I could go break even now because there's no reason for price to come back down here if it's going to follow the order flow of the 15-minute. So we just play it now. There we go. Take profit. 7R. How long did that take? I'll have a look right now. There we go. So we were tagged in. Oh no, we were tagged in here and hit take profit here. So 2 hours. 2 hours for 7%. That's very, very good. Bearing in mind from the banks who only get 0.01% or 0.1%, something shit for the whole year. That is very good. It's incredible. Learn the skill set, develop the skill set, take it to the markets, and just do your thing, man. Any questions? Be sure to ask them in the chat. If you feel confused by this, just watch it over and over. What gets repeated gets ingrained. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you have a blessed day and enjoy.